Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to activate this new sculpting hobby in Heartopia. First, keep in mind that this hobby is only available during the Winter Frost event. And to activate it, you need to find the NPC Azure. This one, this one, this one. Her She's located on the unseen mountain. This one, and then after that, just talk to her. And then in here just tap on Vision Wave hobby, and then next in here you can buy this new sculpting hobby. The price is 100 stars, so make sure you have enough stars before buying. And in my case it shows sold out because I already purchased it. And then after that, just talk to the NPC Azure again to receive the quest called Snow Sculpting Basic. From this quest, you will get a snow machine, and then three snowballs, and a snow sculpting bench. But in here, I can show the quest directly in here. But basically, after you buy the snow sculpting, a snow sculptor basic button will appear over here. In my case, it already changed to tool prep like this. And after you accept the basic quest, next, just play the snow machine and snow sculpting bench in your house. Just open your inventory like this, and then just place the snow machine like this, snowball machine. Tap on place, and then place it, for example, over here. It's the workbench, snow sculpture bench like this. For example, like this. And then after that, now you can start your new snow sculptor hobby. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can activate the snow sculptor hobby. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.